Hey keto friends, welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel we talk about everything keto, low carb. I'm also on a journey to lose 100 pounds. I'm already down 44 pounds since February of 2020. That's when I had my little precious baby girl, and I am almost 60 days into the keto lifestyle. So today I want to be talking about, let me back up. When I first started my whole health journey, weight loss journey, whatever you want to call it, I started meal planning and just planning out my meals. And then when I got to June 2020, I started keto. I'm still producing milk and all that stuff, but I wanted to go ahead and start it. I've had good results as far as not being affected as far as the breastfeeding and all that good stuff. And so I've so far lost on keto around 17 pounds. I'll be doing another weigh-in in I think about two or 3 weeks, and that'll be my 60-day checkup. And so during my journey, I haven't really kept track of anything except for my net carbs, keeping my net carbs below 50. So this past weekend, I got real curious on what my actual macros are. I was just very curious, and so I started looking around at different apps, and I was coming across different apps, and I was just like, they just weren't the apps for me until I stumbled upon this one app called Carb Manager. And so I checked that out. I've seen some different promotions about it, and I was just like, okay, let me see what they're talking about. So I opened that app up and I got to see what they were working with, and I really must say, guys, I really enjoy it. And I'm not promoting, they're not paying me or anything, guys. I really enjoy Carb Manager. So when I went to another app, I think it's MyFitnessPal. I went there and I couldn't find any of my like keto go-tos. So I was like, I don't know if this is gonna work for me. Also, when I went to the other apps, they don't do sugar alcohols and they don't count net carb. So that was a problem for me because that's what I focus on, and I needed to know fiber. They did fiber, but they didn't do like sugar alcohols, the difference on that, and they did not calculate your net carb for you. So with the Carb Manager app, it go ahead and it does that for you. So I've been really enjoying the app. That's one aspect of it that I really enjoy. And then also, I like that I can store my recipes there. So I've been in the kitchen making up different keto meals, and I've been keeping them in a notebook. However, I needed something that was more digital. And so Carb Manager has really helped me to be able to not only keep a record of what my recipes are all in one place, but also it calculates all my nutrition for my different recipes, which has really been a game changer for me because I got to see exactly how many, what my food is actually looking like. And so I was guesstimating my net carbs to be around 35 each day. And so I was actually right. So that was really cool to see. I knew I was staying below 50. And also I got to see my, my calcium, magnesium, potassium, as well as like chloride, and I was really excited to see those things because I wasn't sure how much of those items I was actually getting, and I found out that I was not getting enough of magnesium. And so I was trying to look around and find foods that are high in magnesium. And I also wanted to try out some different foods that are high in calcium. So I'm gonna we know that, I'm gonna actually do a video on like fruits and stuff tomorrow, what kind of fruits I consume. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, so it's been really good. I really like the recipe app. I like how it breaks down everything. And so if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me there. I'm at Mommy Eating Well on Instagram. I post different pictures of the meals that I'm eating right now. Eventually I want to get a website up so then I can share recipes for you. However, in the meantime, if you're interested in any recipes that I have on that page, just DM me and I will send you the link. So that's the next piece I was going to tell you. With Carb Manager, I can send the recipe to people. I had a friend who wanted the recipe to my double chocolate chip avocado cookie brownie that I made this weekend. So delicious, so amazing, so good. And so I sent her the recipe online. So anyway, yeah, so those were the big things. My husband actually downloaded the app also. I went ahead and did the premium membership because I wanted access to all the other recipes that they also had in their database. I found a lot of great ones. I'm still using my recipes, but it was also great to have on hand all the other keto recipes that I had never even thought about or even considered. So I can't wait to get in that and start browsing around and just looking at that, and also being able to save it in my app so then I don't have to go to Pinterest and be looking for everything. But I still love Pinterest, still love Instagram as resources for my for different meals and stuff. But right now the Carb Manager is really great about that. So in this video, I'm going to show you 2 of my days I was tracking. So on the weekends, I tend to eat a little bit more, especially in almond flours and stuff like that. I'll dabble a little bit more in, as well as like keto ice cream, stuff like that. I was really surprised how many calories I actually consumed on the weekend. One of my weekends, I went over a lot on calories, but I don't know. I'm not really gaining any weight, so I don't know. I think it all balances out. And I think I generally don't eat that many calories during the week, especially during breakfast. So when I made my canola, that's what I like to call it. It's like a pecan, delicious, chocolatey cereal that I make that's sugar-free and just really delicious. And I found out that my one serving is like 700 calories. And so I made it a little different this time, and that actually worked for me. My net carb on it, I think, is like still like 7, and so, and it was very high in magnesium, which that's what my biggest goal was. So I had that this morning, and I felt so good and felt so nourished, especially with the job that I work in. With the pandemic, and we are kind of like short-staffed. And so breaks are hard to come by, but they always make sure I have my my pump break. And so it was nice to be able to woof that down very quickly and go on to my next case. If y'all don't know, I'm an operating room nurse, and I work as a circulator in the operating room here in Texas. So anyway, so I really enjoy that app. I will continue to update y'all, but yeah, so I officially have decided to start counting, and so I'm really enjoying it so far. The carb app is making it fun to actually track. So that's all I'm going to talk about today, guys. I have to go pick up baby girl, and I think I'm going to make some salmon burgers with salmon cake burgers and broccoli tonight. So I'm going to go ahead and knock those things out before I go pick up baby girl. All right, so I thank y'all so much for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment. I want to hear what your thoughts are on keto, whether good or bad. I just want to hear it. All right, talk to you later. Bye.